Are you looking for the best woodworking vise in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best woodworking vise that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Wilton 78A Woodworking Vise. This vise is all made of the construction of the metal, as the Wilton 63144 is well known for its rapid-acting 4 inches x 7 inches jaw, which can open to a maximum of 10 inches. It moves up to the range of around 9/16 of inches to act as being the full-length front stop, and it pivots 10 deg to allow for the sake of the clamping of irregularly shaped parts. Also, Wilton's pivot jaw can be on the hole removed when wider clamping is required. It hence weighs 30 pounds total, is all set with dimensions measuring 18 x 8 x 6. It has somehow taken the ideal tool for both woodworkers and tradespeople engaged in various wood-cutting projects. Up next in the fourth place is the Eclipse EWWQR7 Na Best Woodworking Vise. The Eclipse quick-release woodworking vise offers away with the full range of the number of benefits that make it a strong contender for the top spot in our survey. It is all made of gray cast iron and has the 7 inches size that affords users great versatility. It has the adjustable front stop that provides users with both regular vise and tail vise functionality in one tool. As the name indicates, this Eclipse vise hence often permits rapid opening and closing, which means that woodworkers can quickly adjust the vise's aperture to either release or clamp a piece being worked. It is made of heavy cast iron and steel, as the Eclipse EWWQR7 Na comes pre-drilled for mounting wood jaw cushions. It also has the involvement of the 2 pre-drilled holes and 2 cast tabs for mounting screws. We would mention that Eclipse EWWQR7 Na is the Wilton 63144 closest competitor for claiming the top spot. It is faced with some drawbacks, as because of the smaller throat depth and also some reliability issues. The third product on our list is the ShopFox D4026 Cabinet Maker's Vise. It is much healthy 19-1 divided by 4 inches long x 10-1 divided by 4 inches wide dimensions, and also composed with the convenient screw size of 1-3 divided by 16 inches diameter x 15-1 divided by 2 inches long, as it can serve as an integral part of a cabinet maker's bench. Plus, the heavy cast iron and steel construction ensures long life and durability. But you do need to add your wooden jaw, wooden handle, and also the mounting hardware to complete your bench. It is probably standing out to be standard fare for professional carpenters and experienced DIYers for the tasks of woodworking and cabinet making. But it lacks versatility and deviates from standard woodworking vises. Once set up, it may hence prove adequate for most jobs, but it is best suited as a secondary vise for sure. Second on our list is the Performance Tool W3901 Hammer Tough 6-1 divided by 2 inches Woodworker's Vise. The Performance Tool W3901 model hence maintains the design of traditional workbench screws with the classic anvil format, as which helps us to keep all kinds of materials while we work. This product is on the whole fixed directly on the surface of our work table so that the elements do not move during the work. It has the durable powder coat finish with chrome-plated handle and spindle, as with which we can run the screw in the desired direction to work with the best comfort. It has the solid iron construction that makes this product a high-quality piece that will accompany you for a long time without losing its qualities or its efficiency. Performance Tool Woodworking Vise has been put together with the continuous screw with steel guide bar for having a smooth operation. It also contains a pre-drilled hole with 6 inches jaws opening, which used for the sake of attaching wood facing. It is a heavy-duty durable design, as which increases the longevity of the model. Moreover, the model also contains on with the 2-3 divided by 8 inches throat depth. Finally, the top product on our list is the Pony Jorgensen 27091 Medium-Duty Woodworker's Vise. This product is best for duty home, shop, or professional use. It is the cheapest on the list. It is the much lighter weight of 1 pound. And its price-quality ratio compensated. The width of the jaw is around 7 inches, and the interior diameter is 55 millimeters. The dimensions of the product are 16.2 x 8.2 x 6 inches. It best recommended is for the professional user. It is designed to mount to the face of wood workbenches, hence the top edges of the jaws are generally introduced flush with the bench top. It also includes timber shims to permit jaws to be flush with the bench pinnacle. Plus, the jaws have the drilled holes for attachment of timber facings, which allows you to guard your work. Moreover, the front jaw features a durable steel dog inside the front jaw, which is to be well used along with a bench prevent and lets in oversized paintings to be held securely on the bench top. It hence operates smoothly with Acme thread big screw and dual manual bars of plated steel. It often functions a 7 inches jaw width and 9-inch maximum starting ability. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope. to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.